Not too many people here. Sunday shopping for a little bit. Getting this. Soup. Okay, that is a breakfast. I got what I need. It's all jalapeno left. Grabbing. Wow, look at this. Sushi is displaying sushi today. There you go. We're gonna go to this cashier. Not busy today because it's Sunday. I'm gonna go to the cashier. Thank you for watching.